We mwega miroreri wa channel ya Nikio Keigaga TV. Riu ndirariguka ngukwira good morning ka good evening kana good afternoon nowe o kuria uri na mathaa maria uratwirorera. We mwega nie njitagwo Wambui wa Njora na guku ni kwa Nikio Keigaga TV. Ngwiraga ninje ndaguka kaingi gakurehera ageni matiganite gakurehera nduga cia Ngai kahunjia gakurehera mundu gereire tumaundu turitu nigetha ukamenya onawe twaku no tunini na nigetha ukeyumia ukamenya rucio rwaku ni rwega ukira muthenya wa umuthi na rimwe nginya gakurehera atarani tukaria maingi tukaria cia wendo tukaria cia muturire tukaria nginya uhoro wa bururi uhoro wa economy na maundu maingi matiganite na kikio muthenya wa umuthi ndakurehera mugeni wa muthenya wa umuthi ni muini na no ndungata ya Ngai na no mutarani but muthenya wa umuthi twariririe muno mwena wa utarani na without further ado go introduce the mugeni wa muthenya wa umuthi. Hi, how are you?
Kabisa. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon.
Adiwa makiwa whatever time.
Hakwetuge good night.
Hata whatever time you are watching us.
Kurarikana na riri. Kuriori.
Yes.
Tuodo ame America ri. Thaisi metoro.
Makiria gukira saa 8 usiku.
Makiria gukira. Na aria makina guku Nyeri.
Nyeri
shaweli bacio matiganite. So thank you ni ndo wa kujita guku.
Karibu sana. Guku ni kwa Nikio Keigaga TV.
Kabisa.
Na we karibu sana.
Yes.
Na thank you ni tondu wa gwitikira guka.
Yes. Thank you muno na ningetwo Mtabaji Galacha. Aliye na tajiriba kubwa. Kongo ya Mswahili. Na ndo marigo njuga uguo niki.
Na witagwo gichuhi.
Ono korwo ni nderirwo tiriri ati you know that you have made an impact. Hiroga karimina wanenda. Itwale mwetagwo Jane.
Yes.
Terweta bye ati tukao wekete impact. Most Reverend Archbishop Dr. Professor.
Yes.
Isi modo basio mothe.
KBQ.
Kabisa. Alisi ntima ko matiru makomekete monene wa komeki impact. No maleta na mataito. But anyway, Geto Mtabaji Galacha aliye na tajriba kubwa Kongo ya Mswahili.
Yes.
Mtabaji ni mutagavi. Mtabaji ni moyani wa horo. Mtabaji Galacha ni modu mtabaji hodari. Pigaji mbio ama mtangazaji hodari. Aliye na ukwasi mwingi. That is Mtabaji Galacha aliye na tajriba ni ukwasi. Aliye na tajriba kubwa. Modu na a lot of exposure. I mean knowledge.
Rugekoyo.
So, gekoyini. Ruguo. Giayoka. Atoiga ugweta wonekyo.
Nikio Keigaga TV.
Nigetukira iga.
Ni Kenya.
Kenya kiririo.
Kiririo. Nikio Keigaga tondu heka undu riikaraga.
Ndio tugetia fatara gutira kinyitirwo. Kinario. Arikoiga.
Dikire ha kunyitira kadana murata wakwa witagwo Daniel Kamburi.
Kabisa.
Niwe CEO na niwe gitonga giakwa. Guku kwa Nikio Keigaga.
Good to see you and you look good.
Thank you. I like
the hair.
Oh, thank you. Nikuma datonga. No itonga sikaraga natural.
Kwa igucia oka Keigaga ri. Nikirathie Keigaga. Inawe. No kireiga. Gereiga. Ithio
miroreri tuingire direct.
Miroreri wa Nikio Keigaga ndakugeithia muno makiria na ngeithi cia endo wa Mwathani. Ukirimaga hari hothe ngikorwo ri. Otagwo ndaiga jitagwo Kongo ya Mswahili kana Mtabaji Galacha aliye na tajriba kubwa na ndoka nigetha twarie maundu maingi just a conversation with Jane. Nigetha tutikie ko kigo ungi munyoro hau kana kigo ngigaya na no githina bena gutwandikiro haria YouTube nigetha tukarasio roro so that we can be able to have an opportunity
gucicokia. Exactly. Na miroreri wa Nikio Keigaga TV ndikanda kwira njitagwo Wambui wa Njora na umuthi turaririria ndeto cia wendo. Turaririria uhoro wa ndeto cia wendo relationship.
Good.
Na tondu ni woka ri.
Yes.
Nijui we muini tutikuhutia wini turi uhutia ringi. Nijui ni uhujagia wakinya ni kuheana kiugo.
Diraja kwina mara fata ndiroiga kona. Mara fata ndiroiga.
Kamuiria uri ina.
Yes.
Koguo ri ndendo muthi relationship kana topic ya wendo ri ni njarie muno na ni nene muno na ni njarie bacho muthi kwendaga turore riri maundu ma kurora.
Yes.
Niki tufatie kurora hindi ria ndika nguga when dating kana riria turenda kuhika ni ndi muire turi ni maundu mari kuingirira he mwanake urani date kana mundu urenda kuhikia the same wewe mudrumeri niki ufatie kurora kwe muhiki uri urahikia. Yes.
Very well. Ino wanyambe juga tiriri ndigathuri na ndikire mutumia ni mutumia mutumia mwega wa Sara
no ndogo ngigetha nduike
ndisi hau inde twenda kwaria horo ariri kigo kiuga wanaruo na rumenya
exactly
na mundu tathiathia ngaiga no nyina rugaga wega na kwegethori nake gatiriri kuici kwingi ni kuona mengi kungiaria hari ndararia ndi muthuri na mundu wina mucii na twana twake atimia kamenini we miaka 16 timenini mundu wa ngai 16 years is not yesterday
16 years ago dari shukuru
nyenete jo ikehwa kona igitherera kona wigithia miti guthuri tonete and therefore actually to bierere yatuma offer nikujuragia horo a story that has been trending at in the public domain egi edo aeri he mundu okoretwo athi interview ni arakiaria horo wa past yake
no ratotigania na 59 days
exactly ratotigania na 59 days na ni akoretwo akiarangia muno na still like mundu cio excuse wake ri na kero kari ndari aria by the way mwezo ni ari hinde na muno but the guy has never spoken arari this time around ni arakehutirio tondu mundu tu interview ya bel na gika anakiaria maundu maingi maundu macio ni aragia maundu macio muno na juge tiriri tukiruti hau ogwei juge adocio eriri uyu mwaria no ciakeira uyu mahikanie nake thiku 59 na kenda ri adocio the men right ya kwaria na ku feel how they are feeling Shirwa GP atwerire tiriri uira ti kwegana uira ri ni karugano karia mundu aragia karia ngai amugereirie agigakinya haria ri nigetha akaheanaga nigetha gateithie mundu nigetha gatare mundu nigetha mundu angikora situation ni teori ni ukahota kumuonia atiriri how did you get out of this situation no anyita again na kiora kana gutinda cia kikiario tutiramwe bale turamenyere juzi eno ramwe
ono nduria uramakirie ni riri woka gwigweta he mundu tari wa kugweta woka kwigweta he mundu tari waria uru waku we tondu no ni uruigwete chano ini imwe igiri ithatu urigwa muhikia kiuga ni kitwekanire
asa ndagwetaga
auga ni misunderstanding
ndagwetaga aiga ni
misunderstanding kuharukana
na koguo ri I still mageja kumeso nguo ri na guthukia maundu maingi tondu ure ni amuvire on
no ni amuvire
on nake ni amuvire on but however I would advise the lady now move on next time ugegetwa interview don't talk about it
aria magi
sasa umeongea sana
ya kutosha
wachana nayo because now wahata kwaria muno o provoke tondu guku social media kwena tomondo tetagwo riri bloggers atho bloggers tu uri no korwo tha ici sorry no korwo tha ici to inbox ya muthuri ucio uikaraga ku joke
ori
warie no anyita na to maraka na ne bitari uyu ne bita no ugutinda tukatwekanirie thiko 59 ri to broga ru turacaria mwana kioreko
ucio
koguo very soon probably no igwe agenda to negire tiriri what if I speak my story
na udurora makiriere no nduritangienda
ko tungimaka tugwethi
good tondu one ni ndimuire turi ndiraria na ngoiga ngaga kumbura niki we nawe waria umbure ri andu othe meguka mwena waku na matio uyu arakirite tondu niwe wari ki
na ringi akirite tondu wa uge wake
exactly
no ringi barakometa
nikiokiraga ati ona reke
koguo no kamundu kamara mari uguo na ndro mari maundu maingi nake ngwire believe you me aria maronire ka that particular conversation comment ya mwana kiocio to broga turatugo ku social media
nizo tumwethe
turamwetha ta kindu kingi
na tucoke twethe muthuri uria current wa muhiki uyu how are you feeling are you okay with this story
iru mambiririo guo
ati niki muhiki ataragutambura guko atindaga akiheana namba tu leke nguri kiuria kia riri he handu mana kia raugiria atiriri urathi ugisikaga sympathy
with my with our past
with our past niko sikihena go sik sympathy
kajuga atiriri Pareka ndo gatiriri uira ti kwegana all right ni kaundu karia mundu ageragira ngetha imire mwena uri ungi gateithia andu angi akaheanaga geta kauiro karia ngai amugereirie I don't think she was seeking sympathy it is only that kiuria giokire kiriorio ni ura amuragia
na mumuria ri no nginya ciria muria nigetha story
igicama ona muria kimuria ri Kete
doi
nioi
na nerethimenya ni hasa mongi ukira
no horo enda kumuruta ki kanua ume kanua ka
na no koro na rigi na mwirite ndeto icio tutigaciari tauge cia kiuri ngikuria kamera-ini uconoke uge riu wambwira ni ngumwite ndakuria no reke njokie twi kamera-ini
no na kira tuthurie dereti kathurie dereti so for the sake of the lady's family now because she moved on and I think she got married and she has a husband for the nundu wa wega nundu wa kitio kia muthuri wake na gufanga muci wake na kugitana muci wake if I were her I would stop that story na dika mention kidu story te already to we wanagera hau
unijarie mangi
we ona kafa wahikirio thiko 59 kwino oge jowe watigirwo Friday no ikiwa wa Saturday
ma
niguo that story I think it was Friday
uhigiwe wa Saturday
aho thiro nginya bia cia WhatsApp rigoti ni gucokeria bia
kana gwikatia
mundu akoka ka message we hari ati wathi kwigeria neti ugakora mundu ukandikira ka message yako irati heu ri I'm not interested na jana kwa ndage kwambuka igagutiga guku ona to kimene ngai muno muritu ni aragia ndeto icio muno actually na ciendirie muno to some extent muthuri wake amurietire now it's over don't keep on talking about it because when you're talking about it wabe you're opening a wound ambao ili heal unaona na si mimi nilikuja in your life nikahil that wound
na
we are moving now
no koroti wound ura heal kana ki niko no uria tiriri kana wenda uisho
kaona katabekirwo
comfortable
wanyita hii
urenda kana urenda wirwo sorry
exactly uri mundu cio ndina fata na actually ndia mwire tucio because anida mekete interview ni na kejia tiriri don't ask me about that story tori mundu mage my encouragement nigwa jirire kwa una kuma hendeyo she does not talk about it na niyo aciaria rwimbo rwamenyekire bũrũri mũgima that particular testimony koguo naingira mwire tuotiri na uri ni waritie muno tikana horo cio
ona tugaga tiriri watu heal differently ringi kanda ya hirire na gukira koguo nake mwiritu arahiraga na kwaria it's now enough
exactly
it's now enough
ndio ndio kwaria ringi ndio tige kwaria ringi basi rweke toke into a topic of today turari horo akiru etagwo relationship
which leads to marriage
that leads to marriage all right nyabe gugetuga tiriri every time muiretu kana mwanake ona kana ene gender akona mwanake age ona muiretu ri na muiretu ona mwanake ri one mesiri ne maone tofauti tondu most of women na dikuka ni othe to kuri advantage takers no muiretu othe no mesiri make once he get engaged na mudurume in her mind, back in her mind niarona the end and this will end up to marriage. We are here not to play around but odo ni ko end up to marriage. No mudurume na korona atena opinion hiyo probably is testing waters. Naona kana ona mudu tungitwara na anywhere nake na rige probably mwanake kinya andu ane kana kone guthakira guthakira kana ko he kuhila renda kuhila hariwe tondu he handu arahatuikira broken no riu ri turabatara kurora maundu maya ri na njira riri na njira turora maundu macio socially and in terms of Christian way all right nabe gudia tiriri muire turi katatali horo a Ngai where God is the author of marriage na any relationship nega the thrive in the to herie marriage to kinya kwa marriage for any relationship to thrive nega the yagirire ni hari maundu andu makoragwo namo matumaga ikue riu toka kumera atiriri maundu macio matina bata riu mambiririe maundu mara mangituma marriage kana relationship with thrive any relationship no turari orwa wa a man woman relationship or a boy girl relationship turari no turingi orwa relationships ya companies workers and employees relationships is your any relationship be it what for it to thrive hena maundu makuaga magithie marriage ini magi relationship ini kindu kia mbere gitagwo reasons kana itumi ati ukiingira that relationship jeni waingira ni tondu wa reasons kaya gatuma o fall in love with him ni to biru wewe urona uri kumuneka urona tiriri mundu uyu ri negera in my life so definitely
ndapunguzero
no wapunguzero kabiro ningi ni uri kana gaku eyo amiaruga mundu na mundu uyu no kwende kudeithia muno na ni supportaga guteithia mwana uyu kuri fithi nyumba yakwa maundu makwa nyumba kwa matuika sorted mundu ndamwenda tondu probably company arutagira wira mundu ndamwenda tondu ni influential mundu ndamwenda tondu ena bia mundu ni celeb ena reasons na tijuru
ndamwenda tondu ni mahandi sam kugo no ajiarire twana tuthaka
and a six pack manita ena reasons kira tumajuge reasons ni wati reasons wona kira reasons then what relationship kedo kiria reason ici ciaraga ni expectations.
All right.
So you enter into a relationship with a lot of expectation that you expect that man agwikire ABCD. So wamweda reason icio ramweda nacio tunamwira si thino waku nwanyita kogo definitely you expect him ali nyumba.
Yes.
You tani ko limwe tuterere now we are with you now. What do you expect in me? One agakurutira itathigana gure expectations. Akwera now because we are together no dina kana kanini no ndithia kuda school fees sometimes hair care some makeups unaona
ati nyumbeno niyo ex yokaga so no kinya uthamie
exactly no nyumbeno everything bako na expectation nyingi muno cia career cia kufanya in the relationship. But as a man, ask that woman, now it is okay, I'm ready for that. Then what are you bringing on table? Where? Nede weka kana machi mo ore jikagira atia? Mwete ukira atiri ni ndagikate.
Ya ni na offer body.
Now I'm offering myself.
Yeah.
Taigo kona.
Tino.
Yago deruta taigo go.
Afwe kwanza ukarakara arajuria niki
exactly of course iri
arajuria niki kabe niki arenda harini ili toka mwiri
arecia no kamwiri wekatia no kamwiri gakio renda koguo ri mundu ucio kana atiriri we gutire kindu kingi we no wona ka ATM ko mundu ucio ngakweherera.
Yes. Na kwanza eka mathafu ino ni ta biashara huraga ndangikore comfortable nawe ino.
Exactly. On the other hand na mundu me rakeri ona rumena mokanda reasons ciao akorora oguo ri todo maromemba bakuona tomundu buti mundu meonaga your character
asa
masema hendo ndo wa character ko kemenyire kwa hedi yakome na hedi yakuona
character
yako menyire kwa hedi yakuona
abakuona na maitho
the physical appearance
no hekira kimukenagia
thino physical appearance yo ri hari okire gikaraga the day maybe tumange gwaku your smile you know your height
yes.
Probably your figure yakerora kiria to mahatha to ragio ne
to ana to iri to astiana
to asiana akira kona turuga sama hoko na kitu katitho kageti he maundu maria arona
kena hips
riu along the way ni gwambagia kuona ri character no kindu kiria bete kuona gambere ne the physical appearance.
Yes.
Uwe arume no magiuka ri makorwo na reasons ciao
yeah
ko reason icio cia mundu mecio ri cia ciaraki expectation. So I expect you to dress neatly. I expect you to maintain that shape. To ne akwenda shape iyo koguo okubidoru o maintain shape yo tondu iria kaga shape yo
ni agathonga turia tunyondo ni tuo uranda uthura gugweta ria tukagwa ri no akietha tungi
no akona tungi turugara tondu kindu kironete ni uranyita rigo korwo ni weri heke tu hetu turi kwa titu sama auto silimu kaundu kehoe gaso koro fatare nika koyana
kwaja kagia mwana
kako especially kagia mwana Duke tu aka nundu wa mundu me woka pressure na inu thiko ici umbode yako imekuwa aje sasa mwizo tora okera kero ko gutengera mahenya atura mahenya ne kenywa masani
ukenia jana
masani mehome maredio mama
mareto slim mamiti
mareto slim mamiti akigeria riri akigeria nigetha kindu kiria
gicoke ona tiwe ndere na wira wake we mwene ni mbire yaga ena wira wa ndenda gukenia
na kugathuri no wana kone gathire gake gianda na gatiare nayo kata keha gata ekakonogia taki tondu ri maita maingi na mugithi horo-ini kindu ke kumitaga mbere ni nda kindu ke marage na mbere ni nda koguo mundu ri mwitu cio kanogio ni koguo ri muthuri aturaga gym akeria gukweheria ndereko
ino
tondu ndeno niyo mundu wekire atia ni mundu riwa ira mutura na kamunogia na in fact ukora atiri maitha make maita maingi mutumia ni aratuka attract ni tumwana tukete tumwana tunini. Those are the things which are called the physical and the social aspects what madu moraga maitho mao. But what exactly niki ufati kwa bakorora
exactly
how no to twaria maundu maria riri andu monaga
na mahitaji
babagia andu mabagia ugana reasons my reasons reason is yagimara igashara expectations when expectations are not met they give birth to disappointments. When disappointments grow become of age they grow divisions. From division is a divorce. Anita. And that is not the intention of God. Tereto ke mudu eto mutumia. Mwiretu. Mwiretu le biblically. Tuuria tiriri. Gaire. Nigatha togaitu awabira Adam and Eve. And the Bible says in the book of Genesis that he created them both the same day.
Yeah.
Male and female. Ade mali tukutukana yo muno mbale. Mashire ya mutumia betwa idegi. No, more both the same time, the same day, the spirits. Kanaba homao, more below the same day. No more abira ko the physical body, the modrume, and God retained the spirit woman, the spirit of a woman. Never had to tiro farule. Ari kyako mo bira ngafika keule. God aka breathe his life into this woman, and how the spirit that he created in Genesis 1.
Okay.
Ake breathe akoli yo like tukake. No le ule. Adam ule. Hede kire kubone gaire. The first thing that God gave Adam, tawdo amwe tu wati korora. Na mwede tu adhikiria ba aroreha muno. Because waka korora ha wa udhikiria ha. There is a high probability ati yoka hikira mundu ni tondu wa ati the love of my life. That I met the love of my life. By the way, never marry a man who is in love with you. And never marry a woman who is in love with you. You should marry a man who can help you become what God predestined. Kile kitu Mungu alikuwa ameona ndani yako, alikuwa ameumba ndani yako. Mungu gata guteithia kindu giciaro thini waku. But love grows old, love dies.
Yes.
Si ndio?
Kweli.
Si mapenzi ukufa. Si tunaona watu walikuwa wamependana alafu sasa hiyo hawako pamoja.
Ukahirigiri gwetha atiriri ukajagia kuona inyuru ria riri arie gutuku nginya kurigo iniki ndekaga na ng'ania.
You see. Kogu mundu uyu ri we ukiuria atiriri niki kiu kia mbere ufati kora kuma kwa mundu rume utanamba gwitikira about a relationship. To nginya tunone atengeri. Nyatengeri muno. Tengeraga. Ngaya ije kwa Adam ri amugire in the Garden of Eden.
Yes.
Kino kitu kia mbere God gave Adam a Garden of Eden. Huo ndio kimoiga. Na Garden of Eden ni tika muda fulani kana matunda. It is an environment. Si kitu unaweza ona hata sai. Ona ugithie Israel gutire history ingekwira ati haha no heta Garden of Eden. Hakuna. Tonuko kunuko to kwa betia gayo kwa kwa establish his kingship in Israel. Because it was God who introduced that nation and named it. Tiga mama ya Kenya. Tiga wani bilia Kenya mani mnoniado. But Israel was named by God himself. So God established the kingdom yake how then to the sprout to the world. Riuli ngaya Adam kidu gitagwo Eden, Garden of Eden. Eden ikuga atia. Eden ikuga atiriri in his presence. So, kidu kia mbere kiria Ngai yaheire Adam is his own presence. Eden means in the presence of God. So, kidu kia mbere wati kurora kwa mundurume, is this man in Eden? Is he in the presence of God? Tukopia kwa mundu tiriri, when man is in the presence of God, he's a man wa mbere mundu ni mukristiano, mundu ni mundu uwe Ngai, ni mundu mhoi, ni mundu na Ngai ri mena ka relationship. Mena ka relationship. Probably he is in the presence of God. He is Eden. Otherwise, ogekaka kuona kitu kige apart from the presence of God, you will spend the rest of your time pulling man back to Eden. Na hataweza utatumbuka sana. Na ikikora katumie gere kanda iniri. Natona mathene ja muhujia wara muthuri wakwa ne nyua muno. Nyuaga.
Ona niguko ndakuria atiriri.
Yes.
Anake aitu agacohi na kiri mekuhikia u. Megucoka mathiku na ni maregire kwiria ni magerigire gucenjia.
They have to change.
They have to change.
They have to change. Change does not come once. Inakujaga tu pole pole. Inakujaga tu pole pole. A Christian marriage kana relationship. Torugutiri mutumia abagia relationship rusine gathekwe. Wana gutiri mundu mwikana yerusine gatata mutumia. Adu othe maikana ye mena mufango na meriria maguturania. Anyita, but things do happen. Shit does happen. Koguo ri kindu kia mbere nithe nitwari hora mwidetu. Is this man in Eden? Is he in the presence of God? Number 2. Mundu yuri, is he working?
Anafanya kazi. Kana ni akajurage na ngaragu.
Is this man working? Tondu riri no nginya ukoya no ndureka. No nginya ukoya no ndureka. Tia gutengerera mundu metwa ni muthaka. No nginya ukoro mundu ucio ri.
Ndimuheage irio. Niki?
Exactly. And what is work? Work ni kugatiri, does this person has a vision? No ukoro mundu ucio ri ndu areka kwa idari ndena wira. Ni probably ndarekire thukuru. What is his vision? What is his talent? Mundu uri ena ugi uriku kana niki kiugi gikite thini wake, because urenda guka in his life. Manyita wenda uka in his life gwire kandu kamwe. Hindiria worio ni mwanake ri we muiretu ri ungithie ni gwete worio twari horo wa kurio ungithie kuriretu arataku ri ume story what kuria mu manako nake na kiria kire mu kwaragereria ri umeraga tiriri the man was asking me out. Manyita you know what, Kush asked me out. You see, you don't tell girls that Kush was talking to me. If it's about a relationship where he asked me out.
Na nisiuragia ena kindu.
Yes. Ask out you have thiri haha. Ask out.
Yes.
What is asking? How no thiri? He asked me out. Asking means allowing or inviting into your space. When man asks you out, he is inviting you into his life, to be part of his life. Would you like to marry me? No, you need to move on from a friendship to a bit higher. This man is allowing you. He is inviting you into his life, into his space. Kogwori, he's not conversing with you. He's not having a talk with you. He is just inviting you to his space. So, mundu weka kuria ni ubona urafatana ri mundu ungiuka in his space and fit na one mundu yuri no aguteithie tondu o mundu either ni mutumia kana mundu rume hari kiria ngai akirite thini waku atana kumba hari kiria kite thini waku ko no afatana mundu riri ungiguteithia kindu kiume thini waku na kio muteithie kiume thini waku, because a woman is a helper naturally. Women are made helper. Mundu yuri, does he has a vision? Because work is a purpose. Akona purpose ya maisha, akona purpose ya life, unaona? Because it's not only job. Of course no ginya kona kindu ale probably no dwareka, but ask yourself, ena purpose ya muturire niki areka guku niwe ikiria kaga thino niwe korora maundu maingi tondu kira tuma marriage nyingi kwira ithire ne ukorwa ati andu aingi ni mararora maundu maria matarimo na maundu macio hindi ya makaga kihiko kiu kana relationship no guthire thiraga tudi ungirora iritu ingi tha icio they are singles, you know, they are singles. And you ask yourself, why do you have so many ladies who are single? But then we can go single ladies makamera ngana ngima
nigi ugira atumia aria mekanitha ucio no aturohire ngai
nigi muno na ni ndakiririe muthuri muge muno akiuga atiriri expectation ni kindu kimwe kininaga ki relationships, expectations
na mukosi tauni ni mukosi
reasons ti mukosi kira reasons no na reasons kindu ga kere kindu ignorance ignorance ni riri niwe ma no kauthireria na ngai ni mwega ngai no nginya kwona kuonagia tu maundu turakwira ati this is a red flag nginya
urotaga life ugacoka mundu cio macamania akuhetu muka ona nduna muhe horo wa kiroto maundu maria arakwira ri ni ta aramenya kuma na kiroto kiuma ho kugu kanjia kuona kiroto kiu ni kia wana mundu no acenjie angaki nginya we mwenyewe ni wikujagirio kugatiriri mundu ma anumaga ahuraga ekaga ni wahiki ekaga akiriga kwira ati no tungikarania ni agacenjia.
Exactly. Riu mundu mewe in Eden na mundu ura work mundu mukata ugata go cultivate. A man who can cultivate you.
Yes.
A man who can tell cultivate me, baby, you know.
Yes,
cultivate
you know.
Me. Take good care of me.
Yeah.
Cultivate me. That man deserves a helper. A man who is not in Eden, he is not working. He cannot cultivate the land. That man does not deserve a helper. Because a woman comes to help you. So kama kuna kitu unafanya, how do I help you as a woman? Because I'm a helper. Mutumia agake rugia ko help ri abagia go help we mwene. Tano mutumia ni jachoro ni helper. Kuko ni ko thiru mwe makena atiri atumia magire bia ciao. Tondu kurikana akiri we do na vision. Koguo ere abagia ko help we mwenyewe, abagia gwiteithia we mwenyewe. Atumia kiona atumia ni mathire mbere muno. Na magire indo.
I have a friend.
Tondu magire indo guteithia. Andra mabatara guteithio ri. They are not ready for it because they are doing nothing. Mejo-ini. Nanyita mundu ndariho na mutumia ucio wake. So mutumia ucio wake is emotionally starved. Ayuleteria nanyita ndam kwa mundu kenaria gatikativetagwo ko mutumia bagia kwiremera mwene akihandagira indo ciake ko mutumia ucio agakigia na mage maingi kana magetha maingi ko mundu mi uri na mutumia wake ri ni aramuira tondu hi ndari na mbia ni aramuira tondu ni arigwa tena a lot of financial muscle kumukira ni ranyita koguo ri andu tungeheria kindu gitagwo expectation ukingira marriage ni weherie reasons. Those people who love you truly, a man who loves you truly and truly, they love you for nothing.
Yes, they don't have any good
hakuna
reason.
Kitu, of course ile kali kile maitho ma mundu monaga no kindu kitu gitagitwo ati nikio this is the sole reason ya gukwenda
ati kau no hoega point ka riri ni ndimwendeire mukina muno yani he kaundu ni ndimwendete ni nona dressing yake yani ni kuongerera ni added advantage, not your reason.
Exactly. Tondu mundu ekoro for example na athlete ni mundu tengeraga mundu na bia ni mundu na six pack mundu ucio kithi and God forbid athiage na accident atukende tuka subject to a wheelchair, will you still love that person?
A good
you will not love that person. Mundu ucio kithi
agikunogia tondu ndwamwendete haukumempenda.
Exactly. There was no connection. So when you love for no reason. Goli tere mundu gutwa Jeni. Tere mundu gutwa Boy. Ngaya kwendeire ki. Tugenya kwendete. Tumenda kumaiga atiriri. The love of God is eternal. It is everlasting. Mungu anakupenda tu everlasting. Actually, menda kumaiga ati for God so loved the world. Now, world is not earth. World is you.
Yes.
World means cosmos. Cosmos are systems. Systems like banking, insurance, the political system. This is what the world. Na irana gore andu. Wanyita. Na itini mahitia zingikara oguo. I mean, system they get corrupt unless a man interferes with it. So when God loved the world, He loved you are the world. We don't know why God loved the world. Sisi tujui tutingaire edit wa world niki. Noka tukamuria tugakinya matwini. For God so loved the world. So loved the world. We don't know why He loved the world.
Yes.
Yeye anajua. Ati ginya kiruta muru wake wa momwe. Mara mange makigatiriri. Nkaina atuonaje wendo wake na njira eno. Ati God demonstrates His love for us in this way. Kana hagetia makigatiriri. Even when we were yet sinners, Jesus died for us. So gaya twendete unreasonably, atwendete unconditionally, agatwenda wholeheartedly, agatwenda eternally and everlasting. We're talking everlasting. If God loves you for no reason, na kuna kitu ametag kwako dia kupende atenyerete ni tonera ya wega. Ngai yetre wiga atenyerete ni tonera fika ajiga ngai ndari ugo. Wena we mundu ri. Urekerera mundu reasons reke. Cia kumwenda ekoroge ya kwendete o ugo tuhu. Onawe enda mundu ucio o ugo tuhu. And when you love someone for no reason, that man will give you everything. Na mundu mwigira thini wa relationship le give all.
Yes.
Give all. When you give all means you are giving your attention to that lady, you are cultivating the lad, mwiritu ni uramumenyerera, mwiritu ni uramwenda, mwiritu ni uramutea, ni uramutogeria.
Tondu wa wika mau we kuona ku.
Exactly. Had giving all ri. Nake mwiritu ri agakohe all.
Yes.
Ngani agakohe all. Koguo ri you be receiving 100%. Na mimi nitakuwa receive 100% from you. Koguo ri hena give and take. Give and take. I'm giving and taking. So to us togero tugeri ke twenda neire we cannot even explain togeri kiamwe ya mogima. That means we have no reason ya kwendana. Those people who love each other for no reason, they love truly.
Doni hado adikitwa tiriri ati arumeri mendaga muhiki urama respect. which is very true. Comment ni mundu giagacokia atiriri tu respectaga mundu uria uratwika uria tungienda mundu urahe peace mundu urahe kin wanyita tondu ni mari ndungi expect ati urenda guhe respect na maundu maria we uranjika matira deserve that respect.
Exactly. Actually relationship is like a seesaw. Ona mari kono maigita bani turari maundu maya tukirogeria ona mari ko maigite meko ngeta tell husbands love your wives.
Yes.
Otauria Kristo endire kanitha okinya kiukwira rero marero love your wives. Na utumia makero tiriri submit to your husband as if it were Christ. Yanyita ati wathikira muthuri waku tari Kristo o tari Kristo wathikira ati koro Kristo no oke hauwa ni Kristo akwira ati today don't go to church
nduguthie na nikio mera gomakie gwikirira hunjia muno gukira athuri ao uri uki submit to Christ kanitha yaku ya mbere ngucia yuma yambagia muci.
Yes, uri uki submit to Christ submit to your man. Riuri relationship liko hana ta siso gwaterere love me nyenda gwathikire.
Yes.
Uranyita nyenda gwathikire na kyo tumia kwira akamuduri akwira ati jathikira gwende. So it is a seesaw. Let
me play my part. Together go have space.
Exactly.
Tigutira twetanire ati we ni bofati kwamba kudia nini ni fanya kwa
ndungehota gutia muthuri takwendete na ndungehota kwenda mutumia utagutite
how I respect muno
na oro kindu kingi nakyo andu atumia kwaja how ndijuke mwana atumia airetu othe megate he does not give me attention proper attention ni ndekeragia muno gucaria attention yo tumi matira makigo tutume attention ni kindu nginekera mundu gutari banquet of a flower kana kindu ngithiugure igitagwo attention ni murehere. What is this attention? Unanyita attention seek tunaweza patia mtu hivyo. Attention ni kama mumera gakuraga kamera gaka gabataraga gwitiririo mai gabataraga sunlight gabataraga fertilizer gabataraga guthondekwo wega. Attention iri ndungihe mundu attention who does not respect you.
Na attention iri ni different. Attention iri ni expect ohe when I'm dating you tugitigana ri ti attention muhiki ungiko expect umuhe. According to ugakora ni attention ni jowe for example ugakora wabui wanjero ya attention ni riri ati mundu ucio ati nderu toru ne aramwiciria kana ne amuti ne amwendete ri rucinyo kiramuhurire aikikara mu text uguo na kemuhiki ungire ugakora oya attention yake ni kurihirwo to bills anyita attention igire ugakora mundu gitu aramenya guti oya attention ni ati ndakirihirwo to flowers to present uginake ni ati ndagitwarwo to dinner agurirwo coffee agurirwo supper ivo.
Attention environment.
So I guess we unafaa kusoma mundu waku endete ki.
Exactly. Attention ndakwira atiriri it is like a plant. A plant that you both water but you both add manure. It is an environment. Siki tunaweza patia mtu if this is your attention. Hapana. Na environment ino ita kwa attention ni na brawo ni ado aya. Ni ado eri. Ena bro ni ado for it to flourish ifatara ado igana attention yeyo atimatira makiwa matia kwa attention. So why do you think women love attention then men don't need attention? Tori ni digo mundu mekiwa mutumia kwa daga attention ni digo mundu mera iko mutumia no maiga atiri mutumia kwa daga attention. What makes you think that a man does not need attention? We also need attention.
Tubito go twene ithu tufati no idue ndigwa nyumba ingikona muthuri athukuma ngiri 70 na mutumia 30 nyumba ina pesa cigana ina ngiri 70
cia kwani cia tucitu cia kure cia kune ciaku na the better arme mamenye uguo ndani atumia ngo mahana
tubito uguo
atumia mobeto uguo no rukundi kuria kwina ugima andu machua ta gwakwa gwakwa ni jugo tumutange kind thing as long as that particular time you have the capacity.
Yes.
Ya weka uguo no go itena mbeca cia kuria muthenya ucio na mutumia kwa ndamira ndire bia it is enough.
No ni harabatara riri gucamania na mundu ungi ku understand uguo
mundu menyaga yo
mundu
amenya nduri
kwi munani koraga muhiki ona ngikwa githukuma mbeca nyingi kuri gukira ngiri yaku kumuhe ni afiraga gudo na gukira mushara wake
batugera tumena gutombera magutokombagira atumena gwingine gutokombera
of course
no runisia kwenda konere
kwaje mwenye twahitania ni gukuririkania no zae gukuririkania no twahitania soto kodane. Sasa I have a case of a friend of mine una ndari gukwenja wa bururi akihika ri kuma kuhikania gwake muthuri ndari akorwo wira mutumia ni wokoragwo ki
na wira
mutumia ni wokoragwo wira na ati ni wira mwega ni wira wa gustruggle nigetha marie na manyue muikio agino ka thaa 5 cio tukuri ni afati kurio kiuria
of course
haya tondu we he ndamurite ati niki kitumaga nduri urainuka akanjira itakinginya na muria kimuria niki agukinjuria na nyuma wira na bene ame fifi du mutuma wira muguikarite thi cause me ni tikuga ati tondu ndire na muria ndina right ya gwikara mukawa nginya thaa 6 anwanyita but at least mimi si kuriko a married woman ne uri muno tukoro tuikarite nawe handu thaa 3 thaa 2 thaa 4 thaa 5 cio tuko na wina muthuri with one reason ati tondu muthuri ucio ri ndakuragia gara gukuria atiriri muthuri ucio nake ri ni gukorwo na guts cia kunjuria umako
wega biũ tondu riri muthuri ayeto obetwo na ngeta symbol of authority symbol of the authority a man is an authority na mutumia te authority whether a woman has money or not whether a man has money or not a man by the creation of God obiro ne Ngai okay authority and dominion whether he has money or not na ena kiuria ena reason ya gukuria where were you
yes
so that you don't become a man to provide it you don't become a man to rihire nyumba otherwise ungeta wikara without a man kana gutia mutige
okoro ndukumutia
exactly era to riri maita maingiri when a man loses his means of livelihood ri kana mundu mekoro ndari na income arona muno na mutumia kene na mukira na income ri heke ndoro maluzaga maluzaga rutagwo ego naturally tu inapoteanga tu
ego hata kugora misikori yake
ego ni uraga na thauti ikora
thauti ni ure
thauti ya murume ni uraga ni sometimes ri ona kore cidro cumbere ni uga hinya au thindo kiuria
na nikyo ndakwiratiriri ona thauti haerorira ri no ure mone kuragia mundu uyo muthenya wanjererwo ku tondu gukwira tuma na kongoya tugubangaga 1 2 3 ne nyuma demo delivery aga kina mundu no ciakiraga
ni mundu me uri ndakina gwetigira this man is already sick na haria agatumbukirwo ni wiwa ni akuraga no anyita tondu ti kwenda gwake ringi problem gwikara uguo okay athuri magiko makiri nayo ni juga atiriri I called to read the submit to an authority of a man ti utirogeika
uri ohana
ti utirogeika I called to get to submit to the authority of a man wacha kuoleka
ata tondu anything can happen utule wewe iguru wake itondo maundu ni mahappen
man is the head
yes
man does not become a head because he has money no anyita man is the head he is the leader he is the priest of the house
no ri uri mere na umekire kio tondu ngiye kuheirio mwaka wa mbere na wa keri
tu mundu rumeri
ufatie kugwa hanini
ukoretwo kuguritwo nyama ri kana ne kurirwo muthenya wa mbere no kirio wa mbere na wa keri probably thego kirio wikiri negiri ati ginya aradrodio ka kuria renti
unjitage na thiini
narario ni
aboi
narario na
aboi
narario na rodi
pena mugeni
mutumia zora aiga na ngoro kana ndaigirie kirimo ri
ora no akinyagite
ne kuri rume maigati matari thina aigo wondu cio ni mwega gwika ona gigwita narario ni mwene nyumba
nginya we kwira muthenya ya misi kuria tu chapo
yes ona rigena na munyu wa joine ndo mugore cuba igiri
riu
ni ndikaraga
aiko thauti one yaga kongoya ri aiko thauti one yaga ri yo ri ndiakiurire miaka na mithiru
ndo kuri tumia meka uguo mama ikana mundu tocio for only that purpose to ndenda kurura akiwatirire kejikare na kimundu kana kono kirimo ri giki no kiage bia no kia maundu maingi no hari mwendo kigitheragia to na waru matari bia uhoro cio
uko we perfect no muhiki as long as muhiki wothe wira mutwe mwega no ari noga Bishop JJ hindi ahunjiria kiuga hindi Bishop JJ yukiria kiuga muthuri gutuika uraheirwo ni mutumia waku itho uraruzire wira kana ki mweri wa mbere wa keri wa gatatu wigwa nginya inde irakorogacanio riko na ituma ikorogacanio
yani ona kurika na irariko ne tawe uragothwo kugo thuyaga
bi ciana irumanagio nginya rucine uriga gwate ciana ici itingiharirio wega na hadafu
kugo ugakoraga atiriri ona eka uguo for example tukuga atiriri ureherwo ringi mutumia ringi eka uguo na wekira irio nyingi tone wako tuku na ndio tiro kimukiria ati akongerere kugo awikagera irio kiundu kia riri ati irio ukiuga ni onine ni uhondire kagire irio kinyoro kana irio ile tanginya mathubu guku miena enda gucoka toro enda mukiri metere riu ri nyongera tuyo tuni ndarenda horo ucio
na no akwire na wikire mai bafu kamwiro ri mahora no mahore
exactly riu tondera guthinio riu ri agwikite oguo ri tondenda tindo kimwariria nwanyita kuno tumia no waikirire maili macitari tario matharau nwanyita bateke gwire coke hatu geterere as long as nduri ni ire ndamenyire go jeni ndamenyire ati geheria reasons ndera mundu wothe raturira haha if you have reasons as to why you love your man
you don't love him
if you have reasons take gwire mudurume gigathia kwire no gigatororete mudurume ewe geguthare mudurume thia kwire atiriri you know what I love you so much
yes
wano kamuria atiriri why kamuria why
agiga kwegito
no na gigacoka kuria kiu mukimau ri
koja giakwira ni figa
no giakwira
kana kauthio
gitumio giothe no kimau utharie na mbeo tondu kinu gigakorwo gikiambiriria gigagutigana kwanyu tondu ni ambiriria wikira to conditions I love you because I love you when I love you whenever I love you because of ngakuga go ikiambiriria ya gukua wakiko kya muthemba uriko kiko kya muthemba ucio mundu mugiri amanuvaga around anaka very well to I have no enough words to define exactly why I love you I just feel like I love you for nothing but I love you for nothing because nikisema ni hii that will see another one and I'll see another one and tomorrow unaweza kuwa venye huko sio venye nitakuona kesho mundu wararira handu arado aiga fulani ayogera ri tondu akometana mundu na lipstick na makeups etigetikiro tuko
muhiki muthaka we
etigetikiro tuko jani gatere ni mundu ndakorie kiroko tiwe mundu ule twambie nake na jano alikira muikicio hau tondu kana gyo ni ga smooth face
yes
na to lipstick twega
na to butu tucore wega
kiroko yokere ko ni
na gawigi kaigireiro iguru
riu ekore kaigireiro iguru kiwigiru gitire ho
ena raini inya cia riri cina miaka 3
kade yathire mutamugwe kuma hende ndacokera ku rege bathani ndiraikania kade yo nacokera kuikania iraikia mwithitu ungi wenda kuga ati hende ndamenyire geria expectation geria reasons riu ni marriage ndamekirire kindu gitagwo power saving mode
yes
no kinya thimu power saving mode ni kuga atiriri
gikunywa maji
thimu yori kamoki karia ina kori
nego ka maintain
weke the most important things in that phone like calling receive message message calling probably kirahuthagira time pesa kirahuthagira ndio receive message kana gutigeria indo igiri woni kuga atiriri wenda kuhuthira thimu yo kamoki kaina chiko gatigarete ri to do the right thing the same case sometimes they get to a point in our marriage kwa make a positive mood kameka tungeja tigiti gukuheta ikara do the right thing
yes
so like me by the way I don't expect anything from my wife me I don't expect anything from him from her in fact I don't expect her even to be faithful I don't expect it nwanyita
aiwe ne utuka faithful ni wewe
I don't expect it heda ndainukaga getana rimwe meri matatu heo irio to ndayo kwa tuko na utisurugia tinde muno guri atinde muno gu muno githura nguo na maundu maria mangi na
ukona ni afatie nduramusaira
ndambe tari ambere ri kaja kajuke wathia sitting ndaroka ni hato niginde toro ugacoka mwita ringi ndaroka
na ni thano ni hindi ya hurio
ukamwita ringi keguye no na indo thiro kimwita sukari no urahaica sometimes nyuma mutu na ndikuria ngathi toro ndikurira icio no muthe uguo ri hende herie kindu ndamenyire atiriri ungitinda ungikira reasons na expectations iri what happens no to be disappointed koguo ningigira gwakwa othe ira ndingira unless mutumia kwa jirete ndwacoke kwikirira iyo reke njitaga na to ndira kunyita mwaki ndagweta ndrokira ri
na no mundu na ti ati ni kurega ararega ni kuhurio
sikicheri kwa hapa sinachukua na home food nakula nachukua remote gathigeza haba nachukua ka remote ngekera kihunjo fulani hau ngekera badike basika ngekera la gwekera thikithori ndalire nijoka jikejira tiri twende tukarare lakini hindo gadi na toro nganyita kogwo ri I don't even bother my wife to keep at it to iron my clothes apana mimi nachukua tuloza na iron genete
ti mutumio ti gobo
ni ndi mukejeka ugenete ndiko gutora ndagika iyo na ringi no arege hure no ya hurire but mimi nikejeka wa gwite na thina I have no problem actually na gwikira irio na ndie tena wasiwasi yega sai ho uo nywe tena wasiwasi de mukenu ajoke sorry nigena nyito nikahoma
pole
na ajoke thie toro ndio mundu mukenu
no
I also need my time to pray Nida fatara time yako hedi mutumi yako metoro na ciana ri I need to pray for the family I need to pray for my children ndida utida gituka disrupted by anywhere so ni gukira hedi yori hoe nyigire bedroom yako I pray for her nyigire bedroom ya ciana I pray for them when they are asleep because I'm the priest of the house hedi wamenya you are role and your responsibility ni kweli yo hari reasons giciandika ciothe handu giciandika ciothe gichitaruraga gicoka githithika ati never again will I tag reasons and expectations to the clinical kerani relationships because of expectations.
Wow.
Yes.
Tuthiete oro wega biu na ngucia ni gutira turatiriha gwenda utuhe kiugo giaku kia mwisho about relationship nigetha tutirihe tafarira muthenya wa umuthi na ni ngugwita ringi to discuss about nasi metagwo nasi what narcissist emrojeria tagwo narcissist ni narcissist yes narcissist ni uri ukanigetha to discuss tondu reke ngwire hau hakoragwo hakuite britatha
imekuo akuwa ingi
twashigo cia kucia mwisho utwire mundu ungigubatara ni ndu amataro ta muno mangi maingi angikuonako
riu ri ningenda kwira andu ara maraingira in relationships
exactly
ara maraingira in relationships wakorwo i mwiritu eheria kindu gitagwo reasons eheria expectations go to a relationship to give but not to expect anything.
Yes.
While the relationship you give your all. Now we mudurume ugigere in a relationship don't go expecting anything. Go there to give. So when a woman is giving her all and a man is giving her all, definitely the man is receiving 100% and a woman is receiving 100%. Those people are receiving. It is a give and take. Number 2, don't love a man for any reason.
Yes.
Don't love a woman for any reason.
Yes.
Love them for no good reason, for no reason. Dukanekire tag ya reasons. Ili gituma wende muiretu waku kana wende mutumia urenda kuhikia.
Niguo.
Sema ndo maida kwera riu. Number 3, ni wagakorwo atiri if you are a woman, the man you are committed, is this man in Eden?
Yes.
Is this man in the presence of God? What does he know about God? Does he pray? Does he believe in God? Is he of your faith? Because where's your lewa na Muislamu because I love her.
Apana.
Na mpaka ya mwisho, never be married by a man or never marry a man who loves you. Yes. Don't marry a man who loves you, but marry a man who can hold you and get you to your destiny and help you become kedo kedia gaya yugete ugatuika even before the foundations of the earth. And that marriage, that relationship will work so well. Tunde to ide tactics, tukumenyire tumerete bia, ko definitely if a man provides for money, a woman doesn't care whether you are HIV positive, whether you are married, whether you are a madman, whether you are a mungike man, whether kama wewe ni alshaba, ajui bora you are giving her money, she can give you her body bila kujali.
Too bad.
Modu basi mako hewa besa na kiti mohoru because money is good. Na money ni fuelaga, money nita maguta. Kani yekoro ejeru, ni age maguta degevi. Nganyita. No me still kali ona maguta bado, ni age betri still degevi. Nganyita. So money is good. It fuels, it spices, it lubricates the marriage or relationship. It is good. But the only person who can give you money, the only thing that we expect from a man is a myriad, a list of expectations. Lakini kwako, the only thing that you can give a man is sex.
tukiondolewa sex
men
hakuna kitu tunaweza kelea kwa meza.
All men are after sex.
Yes.
Because sex ni kama jeje alisema nita kuhuia ukiria no tigera ukureaga ndikureaga rira no ndi uraria ni urahuhia no tigera ukuria
ndukureaga. So
it is part of the tools ni umwe indo ya cihotithagia thini wa marriage to achieve the objective.
All right.
But the objective is wider. The objective is wider. Na kia mwisho, be a wife. Even if you are a lady, be a wife.
Yes.
Before you are found. Nawanyita? Be a wife before you are found.
Maintain.
Kwa sababu maandiko anasema he who fights himself.
A wife.
A wife.
Fight favor.
Bible does not say he who fights himself, a woman, a girlfriend, a lady.
A sweetheart.
He who fights himself, a wife. So you must be a wife. A wife is a character. Principles. Be a wife of someone so that it can be found. All right? Otherwise, if you cannot be a wife, you don't have a reason to be found. You don't have a reason to be found. Na utapatwa.
Kweli.
Be a wife so that you can be found.
Tuena baadhi mona social hard ciaku.
Na thirwa kageta gwo Kongo ya Mswahili. Na uwa gya yuguria ragio ni homa. Homa ni ndidikite muno ni undu wa maundu matiganite. Ndirare haro ndiraina muno. Ndiragoca na njira na muno nginya ndiranyoroka.
All right.
Na koguo ndiraingirwo ni kahoma kidogo. But however anakonoro guo. Ni nyendete muno kwaria maundu maya. Ma marriage ni tenyerete muno kuruga history, nyendeka editorials. Na thini wa Facebook ukorwo Kongo ya Mswahili. Na thini wa TikTok regire TikTok ndiye shughuli nyingi ciayo
twahanana
TikTok nditaga Kongo ya Mswahili 1 niko konge
nduri kodo
YouTube no Kongo ya Mswahili official.
Okay.
Namba ya kwa thimu ni 0712 045 630 0712 045 630. No ni text no horire sira wo kuringana ro hana.
Exactly.
No kana karo guthenia gakurika kegi relationship kegi marriage. Talk to me and we shall help each other in Jesus name.
Amen.
Amen.
Asante kwa kuja.
Yes.
Na may God bless you nisiko cia kujega. Nizo mundu ria watu irore ndagika icio ciganona ni ekuma na kindu. Ni ekugunika. Kaigwa mwero kurathima. Goko gwirire ni gwanikio Keigaga TV na ni njitagwo Wambui Wanjara. Na uginyagia hinde ingi tucamanie show-ini iwegi. Ona ni ko guothe social handles ciakwa ciothe YouTube ona Facebook njitagwo Wambui Wanjara. Goodbye.